Okay, so let me show you how you can solo and how you can use your dominant seven. Okay, so I showed you the dominant seven. I showed you the dominant seven in, I think, in the key of C. The key of C. So this is the key of D, which I believe you know. Okay, this D. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So like this will give you a dominant seven. Okay, a D7 chord. So if you play, let's say you are using the key of C, the key of G. Okay. So if you play songs like okay, so if you play songs like that, I know you know the song. You are the Lord, that is your name. You. Okay, that is how you can use your dominant seven, your D dominant seven, resolve to your G dominant seven. Okay, so I start by playing You Are the Lord. Let me just play the chord. You are the Lord, and that is your name. You never, you never, you never share your glory with anybody. So this is my Va, which is in the key of C. This is the key of Z. This is the key of Z. Automatically turn it into a dominant seven. Automatically turn it into a D, a C dominant seven. Okay. Okay. C dominant seven. Then move. So this like playing a Re. This like playing a Re. But I played a dominant seven again. The same way I hold my C. I hold a dominant. Okay, so La Sol. So I hold my D dominant seven now. Instead of Sol, I hold it. Then to my G dominant seven. Okay, that is how you can sound more jazzy when you improvise gospel songs like that. Okay. Okay, so just work on that. Wherever you don't understand, get back to me.